Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check friends on the Cookie Run Kingdom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the person icon at the upper right corner of the screen next to the diamond, and here you can find three options: the world, the friends and the guilds. Click to the second, the friends, and you can check friends, but actually I don't have any friends yet. You can add different peoples and you can check your friend requests. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.